Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Tanya Ansari, and I am honored to share with you my insights from my internship at McDonald's, where I have been dwelling into the critical task of analyzing COVID 19 data using SQL. Throughout my internship, I have focused on several key objectives like importing data, exploring data using SQL, proficiency, data analysis, and gaining insights. Without a further ado, let's jump into the introduction of what is coronavirus. Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that can cause illness in animals and humans. Coronavirus pandemic has had a significant impact on public health and has created an urgent need for data-driven insights to understand the spread of the virus. In this dataset, we have number of columns that provides the description of the data with province, country, region, latitude, longitude, date, confirmed cases, deaths, and recovered from coronavirus cases, with key questions to address in the analysis from checking the null values to date range, monthly averages, minimum and maximum values per year, total cases based on each month, to spread analysis on various cases to top 5 countries by recovered cases. The very first step in our analysis is to check whether we have null values or not by using select from CVD, as CVD is our data table where recovered is null. As we see that we don't have any null value, we will skip the second step of replacing null value with 0. Now on checking the total number of rows, we observe the total number of rows are more than 78,000, and the record starts from 22nd of January 2020 to 13th of June 2021 with total 18 number of months. As we go further, we find the monthly averages for confirmed cases, death cases, and recovered cases. Here we observe the most frequent value for confirmed cases, death cases, and recovered cases with respect to each month, along with minimum values and maximum values per year. We then see the total number of confirmed cases, deaths, and recovered each month, then how the coronavirus spread with respect to confirmed case, which is more than 169 million. Then we see with respect to standard deviation and average confirmed cases. We see how coronavirus spread with respect to death case per month. Then we see how coronavirus spread out with respect to recovered case. As we walk further, we found countries having highest number of confirmed cases. The top 5 countries are Turkey, India, the US, France, and then Brazil. And on contrary, we find countries having lowest number of death cases to be Uganda, New Zealand, Vietnam, West Bank, and Gaza. The fifth one is Gambia. Lastly, we can observe the top 5 countries having highest record case to be India, Brazil, the US, Turkey, and Russia. Throughout this SQL-based analytical process, we have gained meaningful insights on analytical results, giving us dataset periods, trends, global totals. The dataset covers January 22nd, 2020 to June 13, 2021, totaling 18 months of data on confirmed cases, deaths, and recoveries. Trends also shows average monthly confirmed cases, deaths, and recoveries showed a significant increase, peaking between November 2020 and April 2021, followed by a decline in mid 2021. As we see, the global totals of confirmed cases exceeding 160 millions, with maximum in 2020 and 2021 having more than 9,000. The insights also shows lowest deaths in countries like Uganda, New Zealand, Vietnam, West Bank and Gaza, and Gambia reported to the lowest number of deaths, indicating effective containment or low exposure, with highest recoveries in countries such as India, Brazil, the US, Turkey, and Russia, showcasing significant recovery efforts. In this task of our internship has reinforced the pivotal role of SQL in coronavirus data analysis, indicating that SQL is not just only for number crunching, but also to find and understand the story behind the data and underlying patterns. I'm grateful for this opportunity to share my journey with you as we move forward. Let's continue to harvest the power of data, collaboration, innovation in our pursuit for better, healthier, and safer world. Thank you.